in a foreign and hungry. And the wear one part. Buy one oxtail food. But hear me no man. You see some of the Jamaicans. You know, love bumbo clot cooking in America. You hear that? Yeah man. Cause right now, the buy this food for 25 bumbo clot US dollar. See? And when I tell you say rice and peas now no bumbo clot taste. Oxtail now no taste. All the blood clot oxtail tough like bumbo clot board. Yo, some of the Jamaican when in a foreign man love bumbo clot cooking man. And every blood clot body restaurant business fit. You understand? You don't need to love blood clot restaurant business with this bumbo clot taste bad food and have a blood clot to cook and try sell people. Right now me hurt, me vex your fuck. When I hear me a cuss so much bad one, I must know some me vex right now, me hurt. Some of you in a blood clot foreign and if you love bumbo clot Jamaican cooking alone. You understand? But in a blood clot run restaurant and can blood clot cook.